Hello, and welcome to a CFB Bonding Construction Update. Today we are at R.L. Turner, which is getting a major maintenance upgrade as well as a CTE renovation. With a lot of the maintenance work completed over the summer, our focus has been on the CTE areas. Today we're going to be touring the campus with Principal Greenidge, talking to students and answering questions, as well as taking a look at the wonderful work that's going on.
Hello, I'm Dr. Greenidge and I am the principal at Turner High School. Today I am with one of our seniors, Sarah Shepard, who has some questions about the construction that's been going on in our courtyard areas.
Okay, will both courtyards be remodeled? What will they look like, and will students be able to use them?
Absolutely, Sarah. Yes, both courtyards that are being remodeled are going to be used by students and teachers, hopefully a lot in the coming months. As you can see, this courtyard area is being laid with synthetic turf, which will make it very usable throughout all seasons of the school year. There's also a covered perimeter around the entire courtyard, and there's a collaboration area that's just to the north of the courtyard that will be used by students and teachers for learning, for getting together and working on projects and doing all kinds of great learning things. Hello again. We are in one of the CTE renovation areas with Ricky, who's actually an early graduate, and he has a couple of questions about the construction that's taking place in this area.
Great. What has changed in the CT area so far?
Okay, so we're actually in the new Cosmo area. We've actually taken out the center wall and opening up to a more open collaborative area. We've actually demoed out the existing restrooms and doing restroom upgrades. We've given Outdoor Adventure a larger space and more of a collaborative area that they can use.
We're here again with Amy, a senior at Turner High School, who has another question for us.
Thank you, Dr. Greenidge. I have a question. When will construction be completed?
Good question, Amy. I'm going to ask Clint from Jackson Construction to answer that for us.
All right, so great question. As of right now, as we've walked this morning and you guys seen these spaces, we'll be turning over the 2 courtyards and the collab spaces January 5th. Cosmo and Outdoor Venture will turn over on February 1st. Auto Body, Auto Tech will turn over in March. And at that point in time, we will move into our 3rd phase out here, and that will continue on through December of 21.
We are truly excited about the work that's going on here at Turner, and we are so grateful, so thank you so much. On behalf of the faculty, the students, and staff, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Greenidge, and to your incredible students for being part of this update. With the support of our community and the 2018 bond, we've been able to really bring life to these CTE programs that offer real-life certifications for our students to prepare them to go forward into their careers. For more updates on our construction projects and any other bond information, please visit our website at cfbbond.com. There you'll see weekly updates on a number of our projects, as well as videos as we go through the district looking at our new work.